Hello everybody, and welcome to How to Make Your Wife Happy and Healthy. In this episode, I'm going to show you a quick and easy breakfast dish that you prepare overnight and then you eat in the morning. Want to know what tastes so good and healthy and so easy to make? Well, come on, let's get cooking. Today's shout out goes to
Nobody.
Nobody? What happened?
Well, nobody submitted the secret word from the last video we uploaded.
Wait, we have a secret word?
Yes, we've had secret words since the March videos.
So how am I going to shout out to nobody?
Until somebody besides nobody submits the secret word.
Alright then. Well, nobody's links in the description, so check out his channel. The recipe we're making today was inspired by Dr. Oz. He has a lot of great healthy recipes that you can try. This one we tried and really loved. It's called muesli. Here are the ingredients. 1/3 cup oatmeal. I have found that Coach's oats actually work the best because they are the ones that soak up all of the liquid you're going to use. 1/2 cup of non-fat Greek yogurt. Plain is best. 1/4 cup of milk. Today we're going to use soy milk. I've used regular milk in the past. 2 teaspoons of chopped nuts. Walnuts work really well. Today we're going to try almonds. 1 tablespoon of dried fruit. I usually use apricots, but today I'm going to try cranberries. But any dried fruit that you like, you can use. 1/2 cup of fresh fruit. I have strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries here. Commonly we use either blueberries or cherries. Take out a bowl, put in 1/3 cup of the oatmeal. 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. Quarter cup of milk. Add a tablespoon of dried fruit. And 2 teaspoons of chopped nuts. Now stir it all together. It's going to look a little soupy, but that's perfectly alright. This portion is usually good for 1 person. If I wanted 2 people, I would double the recipe. You can cover it with saran wrap if you like. I'm going to cover it with a plate. What I usually do is if I am using frozen fruit for tomorrow, I would put the frozen fruit right here, let it thaw in the refrigerator while the dish gets ready. Next, we're putting it in the refrigerator for overnight. Ready to eat in the morning. I'll see you tomorrow at breakfast. Good morning. Time to take out the muesli so we can have it for breakfast. As you can see, the muesli firmed up quite a bit, soaked up all the juices, and now it's nice and firm. So I'm going to take out about half of it for myself, leave the rest of it for my wife. Put it into a bowl. Now it's time to add some fruit. Gonna add some blackberries. So I'm going to add some blueberries. You got a healthy breakfast. The oatmeal is a little bit tart. The fruit adds a lot of sweetness to it. Overall, perfect consistency, nice and thick, just like I like it, and a very good overall flavor. And that by having onions to it, that's really good. A little bit of nut, a little bit of fruit, a little bit of oatmeal, Greek yogurt, soy milk. It's very good. Since you made this far, go ahead and drop the like button just like we dropped some fresh fruit on that muesli. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of all my new videos that come out on Mondays. And just to mess with people who don't watch the outro and make it this far, include the word peanut butter in your comment below to be included in my weekly random drawing to be in my next video as a shout out. Thanks for watching and have a happy and healthy day.